Hello children, hope you all are doing well. Today we will start with one activity that is of our chapter 1. What is long and what is round? Okay children, so before I start the activity, let us tell you we have to enjoy this activity at home. मतलब जो मैं आपको एक्टिविटी यहाँ कराऊंगी आपको वही एक्टिविटी अपने घर पे भी करनी है. सो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट लेट अस प्ले अ गेम. पहले हम एक गेम खेलते हैं, ठीक है. फॉर दैट गेम आई हैव दिस ब्लैक बैग विथ मी. मेरे पास ये ब्लैक बैग है. So one by one I will take it out one thing and I will ask you whether that thing is long or whether that thing is round. Okay, so let us start. Okay, so let us close the eyes and take out my first product. Okay, so here is my first item and this is a ruler and ruler is long. Now search for the next. Here I got the next. This is a potato and potato is round. Now I am searching for the next object. Hey, what is this? Oh, this is a sketch pen and sketch pen is long. Next object I have is a ball and ball is round. Now let us search for the next. Next I have is a comb. Comb is long. Now I am looking for the next object. What is next? It's a onion and onion is round. Now next object I have is a pen. Pen is long. Now anything is remaining in my bag? No, it's empty now. Nothing is in my bag. So here we have learned about long objects and also the round objects. So now let us test one object and find whether that will slide or whether that will roll. The first object that I have is my ruler. Ruler will roll or it will slide? Yes, it will slide. So let us test. Okay. So this here I am putting my ruler and slide. Next object that I will put is a ball. Ball will roll or it will slide? It will roll. Check it out. Roll. Next object I have is a potato. Potato will roll. Next object I have is a pen. Pen will slide. Slide. Yes, it will slide. Children, one very important thing that I want to tell you is there are few objects that will also roll and that will also slide. See, this is a sketch pen. It will also slide and it will also roll. You want to see that? Okay, let me show you. See, if I put this object in this way, it will slide. See it's sliding. In this way, it will slide. Okay, but if you put this in this way, okay, it will roll. See? So, children, you have to find out some more things which will roll also and which will slide also. I have few objects with me. Okay, so let us find out with which object we can create a tower. Okay, first let us try out with the round things. Okay, so here are few round things I have. So let us put on one another. try again. Okay, no, we can't. Anybody know why can't we create this building using these round objects? Yes, because they don't have any flat surface. इसमें कोई भी flat surface नहीं है. Now let us test for some other objects. Okay, so I have few matchbox. See, few matchbox I have. I am sure सबके घर में होंगे ये matchbox. ठीक है, तो आपको भी ये ट्राई करना है. क्या हम इससे टावर बना सकते हैं? Okay, so let us try. So I am putting here one by one above the other. Oh, here is my tower. See? So I created this tower using the matchbox because they have flat surface. इसमें round surface नहीं है, इसलिए हम इसकी बिल्डिंग बना पा रहे हैं. अगर इसमें round surface होता तो हम बिल्डिंग बना पाते? No. Okay, so whenever you want to create a tower or you want to create a building, you always need a flat surface. Children, do you know one thing about a coin? Coin has a flat surface also, but it can roll also. So a coin is a thing which can roll and also a slide, and also you can create a building using this coin. Children, you have to draw this type of pictures. One side you have to write a long, one side you have to write a round. Okay, and you have to draw the pictures of the objects which are long and the pictures of the object which are round, and also you have to write the spellings of each object. Spellings you have to form your own. Okay, in this way you can learn the spellings of each object. Now next project that you have to complete is this one. You have to search for the things which are long and which are wrong. Long things are those which can slide, and round things are those which can roll. I hope children you like the today's activity. Do it at home and send it to me.